Hey everybody, wanted to share with you why I'm looking to put a bearish position on for Walmart. So one thing I like to look at is to see where this moving average envelope is, and I've done other videos in regards to that. It's you have a baseline, which is a 21 moving average, then I go 2% and 4% away from the inside or that median line. This is my 50 moving average, which is extremely important to me as well. As you can see, Walmart had a bad earnings report. Went down. It's come up a little bit, and I'm going to cover the Fibonacci part right now just so I can get that off the screen. Fibonacci retracements usually go between 38.2 and 61.8. Sometimes they go a little bit higher than that, but then if they do, then you got to worry about it actually reversing to the upside. As you can see, the market was up 91 points on Friday, but Walmart had a down day. It was actually down 50 cents. Bounced off the 50 moving average right here, and I'm going to move in here a little bit. But it's also coming off almost a 50% retracement from this swing here from the earnings until it based a little bit down here in the 56 area. So I see that with my stochastics up here at the top, and my momentum band's actually starting to roll over a little bit, and then this is my MACD that I actually like to look at as well. It looks like it's going to go down. Now, what am I going to do? I actually like to put on spreads. So if I'm going to look over here and we're at the $60 strike price, I'm going to give myself a little bit of time. So if I'm going to go on the put side, I'm going to probably buy these around 135-ish and then try and sell these around 47. So I've got a net exposure of about 90 cents, 95 cents on that versus the whole thing. So I actually start making money when Walmart gets down to about $59 instead of $57.50, or even or if I just purchase these $58.60. So my profits are going to be capped though if it gets below $57.50. I'm going to be laying out, if I do for every 10 contracts I do, it's about $950 when I place the order. Maximum profit's going to be $2,500 per 10 contracts. So I like to do 2-to-1, 3-to-1 reward to risk ratios. So that's definitely right up my alley to do that. So what I'm going to be doing is purchasing the December 18th 60 put and selling the 57.50 against it to lessen my my cost against the position. Of course, the big risk could easily be that there's a good Black Friday. I actually don't think there will be. I think that the realtors are in a heap of trouble as far as people going into the stores. I think Walmart will have their usual big rush and big crowd that shows up, and busts the doors down for their $200 75-inch TVs or whatever they're going to be doing on Black Friday. But I don't think that's going to be enough. I think if Walmart online does not do that well, that it's going to be an extremely bad holiday season for the larger retailers, Target, Walmart, and so forth. I think the big one is going to probably end up being like Amazon, to be honest with you. But that's why I like that. This is the 200-day moving average right here. So that's down. The trend is obviously down in this stock. I think it can go a little bit lower. I don't care how low it goes as long as it retests about right in here. If I can get into this spread, you can see there's not a lot of room to go. Here's the midline of my envelope, so even if it gets down to here, there's a maximum profit target right there. So there's not a whole lot looking forward to try and double my money. I actually have a future system that I put this against as well. It's a lot more busy of a chart because I trade S&P 500 futures with this. But a lot of the things I look at in regards to topping out have actually started to top out right in here. The momentum's gone from bright green, which is to the upside, to dark green, where it's starting to roll over a little bit. So I actually feel pretty comfortable that providing that Black Friday is not a good one, that I'll be in great shape. As a matter of fact, a lot of this hinges on how Black Friday is going to be. So you can see that the price action ended up in here towards the top of these channels as well, which are a little bit different type of channels. That means nothing because it should be a tick chart, so I'll get rid of that. But you can actually see it's on the top of all these channels that we have. When they get up to the top of these channels, you can see that it likes to retrace itself back down to the bottom. Of course, when it goes to the bottom, it actually goes back to the top. So anyway, I'd love to hear what anybody else has to say in regards to my analysis for Walmart, and hopefully everybody has a great week, and if you're in the U.S., have a happy Thanksgiving as well. Thanks.